Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I thought I would go through a bit of a haul for you guys. As you all know, I've already talked about it. I'm a bit of a tidy when it comes to spending money. So I wait for things like my birthday, and being it coming up soon, I have actually made a list on Amazon, a wish list, and I've shared it with mum and dad and friends and family, and that way if they're wanting to know something to get me, being an adult, it's hard to find stuff. So that way I can send it to them and they know exactly the kind of thing that I'm after. And that way there's some people are actually getting you something instead of just handing over cash or something like they do when they don't know what to get for you. So this way is really good, and you can send it on through, so you don't actually know what they're buying for you, but you know that you've got the stuff that you're kind of interested in your wish list in your Amazon account. So today I'm going to go through some of the things that I've got. A lot of it actually is to do with this channel and to help me out with things like a new tripod and a microphone so that I can get this sound a bit better. So right now I've got you on my old setup, which I'll have a look, insert here. So excuse the shaky camera, but this is the setup that I have right now. So this is just a tiny little ring light, as you can see, and it's on this bendy arm, and this is the part that the camera goes into, and it just sits there and that just swivels. So it's not too bad. You can manipulate it quite a bit, but it's got this clip. And I found that obviously when I was clipping it to the desk, because I was doing things on the desk to show you, it was moving around quite a lot, so it wasn't really working that well for me. So this way I have made it so that it's not touching anything that I'm touching, and that way it's more of a steady shot. But like I said, being that it's attached to my lamp post, it means it's not easy to move around the room, also because I've got it down behind my desk. So it's very frustrating. We have the new tripod. So everything I'm going to show you is from Amazon. You'll notice that I'll be changing looks and changing clothes and things like that because I'm getting them at different times. So I'll be able to record things as I get them. I have most of it at the moment, but I don't think I'll get all the time to do this video all in one go. So I'll be changing clothes, doing outfit changes, just, you know, step up the video a notch. That's all right. So this is the new tripod that I got. Everything that I am showing you guys, I will have an affiliate link down in the description below. You can click on that, you can go and purchase. It doesn't cost you guys any more, but it actually helps me out a lot, and it means that if you purchase something through there, I get a small little percentage of that, which is really helpful to keep this channel going. As you can see, it comes in a nice little pouch, which is great if you're taking it places. If you're someone that does a lot of vlogging and stuff like that, it's really, really small and compact to start with, so you can take it with you. In the bag comes a little button that we have here, so that means that if you're far away from the camera like I am now, I would be able to pause it and start it again, or take photos and stuff like that from further away, which is really handy. Then you have, you've got the attachment. So this one came with an extra attachment so that I can attach my phone to it, which is really good because I really like filming on the phone. It just makes it so much easier. And because I have a Mac, I can easily send it to my computer and everything like that to do the editing. Whereas if I found my DSLR, I can't see myself while I'm recording, so it's not very handy. Not that I enjoy watching myself while I'm recording, but it means that I can see what is happening and what you guys are seeing, and then that way I'm not recording a blank space and then having to do it all over again. I can see what's going on. So this is the tripod. I'm happy that it comes, like, it will go this small, because it means that I can put it on the desk as well if I don't want to use that arm that I just showed you. If I want to put it on a different desk or something like that, I can have it quite small and good. Everything just unscrews nicely. I will show you quickly, if we undo all the legs to the max height, how big that is. And click it back up. It's just like a standard tripod with these little clips on here, and each one pulls out more of the leg, and then you just close them up to lock them in, so you can adjust it heaps. There's lots of just different adjustable heights that it can go to. Telescopic, I think they call it. And then he just folds out, so you just push this part down to lock it in, and then he's standing on the thing. I'll just bend you down a little bit. As you can see too, when we undo this, it's actually got a little level built in, so that way you can tell if your camera is straight or not. And you just manipulate everything, turn it, undo it, screw it, change it. It goes so many different angles. This part too is awesome when you've got your phone on the desk. It actually folds out, so you can always undo this and tilt it forward. And then when you're putting the phone attachment on, and it goes like that, you're actually recording straight down if you want, or straight to the side. So when you're doing things on your desk, you can have it recording straight down. Or if you want bird's eye view of something on the floor, it's very, very versatile and really cheap. So I will have the link down below if you're interested. I love this button. This is the best part about that tripod. Click it off. Click it back on. So good. This thing works off Bluetooth, so easy to connect, so easy to use, and so convenient. So I may have told a teensy little white lie earlier, because obviously you can tell the sound hasn't changed because I haven't attached the microphone yet, as I wanted to show you the one that I got. So this microphone is pretty cool in my eyes because it's not your standard black or grey microphone. I opted for the donation one for a special foundation, so it is pink. I'm not a huge pink girl, so I don't know why I'm so excited by this. I just like things that are different. So we have a pink one, and tiny, perfect, plugs into your DSLRs, plugs into your Apple phones, your Android phones, all of them. It is a versatile one. So if you want to attach it to a camera, a proper one, it comes with your little attachment. This part just clips into that, and then that part just slides in on the top. Or you can just put it on a tripod because it has the little screw part. So if you had an extra tripod or something like that, you can always just attach it. It comes with the two different cords, one for the attachment to your phone or the one for the attachment to an actual camera. Comes with a little wristband for obviously the cancer foundation that it is supporting. And again, oh, I just nearly lost it off the bench. This is why we can't have nice things, folks. Nice little leather pouch, which it all fits in nicely. So it comes with your instructions, obviously. I never read them, just plug it in and hope for the best, which is what we're going to do. Once I finish this little part, I am going to plug it in and hopefully the sound is better. So you guys, just quickly, didn't want to be this person, but if you would like to like and subscribe or comment below what you think I'm doing right, what you think I'm doing wrong, anything would really help a sister out, because I really want to build this channel and I really want to help people, and I really want to get into this more and more. I do work full time and have a business with my mum as it is, so I don't have a lot of time to do this. So right now I'm a little bit inconsistent with my upload schedule and everything like that, but I'm trying to get there, and I'm trying to get more frequent and find the time to do it and everything else with life. Now we have a slight problem, and I've just realized new iPhones don't have the headphone jack, and that is how you plug this bad guy in. So I'm gonna have to find me an adapter, and then I'll plug it in. It's so fluffy. Good news, I'm a bit of a hoarder, and I have all my old phone boxes, and I found one. The newer iPhones, for some reason, they don't have the adapter in them, but in my older phone box I found one, and hopefully this sounds a little bit different because I have it plugged in. So you guys, like I said, I hope that it's working because I didn't read the instructions, so hopefully it's just a bit clearer, a little bit louder. Not sure if I have to change any settings or anything on my phone. I'm pretty sure you can just plug it in, because when I try and play back, I can't hear anything because it's plugged in, so I'd assume it just automatically goes through it. New tripod is set up, new microphone is set up, so hopefully the sound is much clearer. I don't have to talk as loud because I'll be able to make it louder with the microphone settings. And now we're going to get into the exciting stuff, the not so practical, the more fun stuff. And I have got some bargain goodies to show you. And like I said before, links will be down below. And if you like what you see, click away. Fudeno Suke brush pens. These are the hard tip. I find them the easiest. I am left-handed, so I find it quite hard to use really soft brushes, because as you're trying to do the thicker lines and stuff like that, you're kind of pushing a lot more than you are pulling the pen. So I find it easier to use harder brush pens. I also recently got myself a bullet journal, so I like the idea of having the colors and everything like that in the nice pens. They come in a pack of 10 here. Again, they're from Amazon, so I will add the link and everything for you. I have tested these ones out. I will do a swatch out just to show you how nice the colors and stuff are. I think I found my favorite was really the green one. It's actually really nice. So you will see that they got quite a fine tip on them, and that is quite firm. So I don't know if you can really tell when I'm pushing on it here, but it's pretty good. So we'll go ahead and swatch those out. I will just do one with you, and then I will skip ahead and show you the swatch colours. So I've just got a normal piece of copy paper here, and I'm just going to go through all the colours so you can see them. And we have red, like I said, I'm no expert, but this is why I love these kinds of pens, because it didn't take much, and I actually think they look quite effective, even though I don't think it's the best writing I've ever seen. I've seen some much better hand brush lettering and calligraphy artists out there, absolutely. But if you saw my general handwriting with a normal pen, it is atrocious. So just doing something like this, it looks really effective, and it didn't take that much effort, and I do it too fast, and I probably don't do the right techniques, but it looks effective, so I'm happy with it. Whatever works for you guys, go for it.